Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick disclaimer before we begin. This video is for information and educational purpose only. Please do your own research or consult a professional before making any decision based on this content. Thank you.
Today, we are examining SoundHound AI, identified by the ticker SOUN, which is a company specializing in voice AI and conversational intelligence. They focus on developing solutions for voice recognition, natural language processing, and voice commerce within the automotive, customer service, and retail/restaurant sectors. Key offerings from the company include the Houndify AI platform, voice ordering systems for drive-through and restaurant automation, as well as integrated voice assistants for cars, smart gadgets, and enterprise applications. In 2025, SoundHound gained attention with an impressive second quarter, reporting revenue of $42.68 million, an increase of 217% compared to the previous year, and reduced its loss per share to approximately 3 cents. Due to its positive momentum, SOUN elevated its revenue forecast for the entire year of 2025 to between $160 million and $178 million, surpassing earlier projections. This news resulted in about a 25% surge in its stock price, boosting investor confidence. Concurrently, SoundHound has been making strategic advancements, including acquiring Interactions LLC, a company focused on customer service and AI orchestration, while also broadening its voice assistant applications into additional automotive and restaurant domains. Nonetheless, the company is still not profitable and grapples with various challenges. It faces considerable net losses, and issues related to cash burn, stock dilution, and financial governance are under examination. Additionally, SoundHound had previously postponed its 10-K annual report because of complicated accounting related to acquisitions, which raised investor concerns regarding regulatory adherence. Analysts have pointed out potential issues with valuation multiples, the risk of margin compression, and the need for maintaining sustainable profit levels. From a technical and sentiment perspective, SOUN demonstrates significant volatility. Resistance levels usually appear near the recent peaks reached during AI enthusiasm, while support levels are frequently tested during pullbacks when investor confidence declines. Insider selling has gained attention recently, with multiple transactions indicating a potential lack of optimism from insiders. A number of analysts advise caution against chasing price rallies, recommending to wait for improved cash flow clarity. In conclusion, SoundHound AI presents a scenario of high risk and high potential within the voice AI and conversational sectors. Its recent growth and raised guidance offer positive momentum, yet challenges in execution, financial management, and valuation pressures persist as genuine hurdles. For speculators and traders focused on technology, SOUN remains a stock worth keeping an eye on, but it demands a careful approach to risk management.